What's up, everybody? Welcome to Lyrics to Go. I'm Daniel Maté. What you're about to watch is a short clip from a recent live stream I did. I do these every Monday night, pretty much. We pick one artist or group or even a single album and just listen in depth, pause, talk about the lyrics, and just get to deepen our appreciation of the lyrical side of things, which is the whole point of this channel. Now, those streams are available to everybody every Monday night. I invite you to come out, check out what we're doing each week. It's always different. If you want to see the entire stream after the fact, that's available to my Patreon subscribers only. And you can become one by going to patreon.com/lyrics2go. There's a whole bunch of other perks as well, including bonus episodes and custom playlists and all kinds of other good stuff. So, hope you'll check that out. And for now, please enjoy this clip. Everything goes on this channel.
Yeah. Possibly.
All right, here we go.
Though.
Possibly, maybe. All right, so we can pause after each verse because they're each so distinctive.
That interval.
All right, so first verse. Your flirt finds me out, teases the crack in me, smittens me with hope. Possibly, maybe, possibly, maybe, possibly, maybe. So, not even the beginning, not even the beginnings of things, just the first shimmerings of possibility. Yeah. Your flirt finds me out. And again, leave it to English as a second language speaker to like find a delightful way to say something.
Mm-hmm.
Not your flirtation finds me out. Your flirt finds me out.
As much as I definitely enjoy solitude, I wouldn't mind perhaps spending little time with you. Sometimes, possibly, maybe. Possibly, maybe.
All right, second verse. As much as I definitely enjoy solitude, I wouldn't mind perhaps spending a little time with you sometimes. And now possibly, maybe becomes, rather than hopeful, to me it becomes kind of coy, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like, maybe. And then probably love. She can't, her poker face is not that good.
It goes from possibilities to, yeah.
To propositions or like actual hypotheticals. Yeah. All right. So now we are in the early stages of a relationship, right? Uncertainty excites me, baby. Who knows what's going to happen? Lottery or car crash, or you'll join a cult. This almost feels like the kind of lyric that like one of our Korean classmates might bring in, that were just like bonkers brilliant without trying, just because of the like incongruities that come from the different sense of syntax. Who knows what's going to happen? Lottery or car crash, or you'll join a cult. Good luck, bad luck, plot twist. And then she starts to like transpose the possiblies and the probablys.
Probablys, yeah.
You notice that? Like it's starting to get all muddled.
So good.
Yeah.
Possibly, mon petit vulcan, your eruptions and disasters. I keep calm, admiring your lava. I keep calm. Possibly, maybe. Possibly, maybe.
All right. So she starts out with some French here. Mon petit, well, she says vulcan, but it's in French it would be volcan. But anyway, mon petit vulcan, your eruptions and disasters, I keep calm, admiring your lava, I keep calm. So there's still this affectionateness, like she doesn't have a sense that this is like the danger is not on the surface.
Right. Volatility that
Clearly,
is sweet. Yeah.
right. Yeah, but I keep calm, said twice. It has a cost, you know? Like this is not, it doesn't sound like a stable situation. Yeah. Your eruptions and disasters. And it's not exactly clear. She's admiring your lava, like she's standing by and watching a natural phenomenon, as opposed to being in a relationship with somebody.
Well, but also finding beauty in the danger of it or whatever. Yeah.
Absolutely, which leads into the next verse.
Electric shocks, I love them. With you, dancing a day. But after a while, I wonder, where's that love you promised me? Where is it? Possibly, maybe. Possibly, maybe.
I want to have a pile of golden sand on the floor, and then I will lick it, and it will be my friend.
Or yellow
Electric
snow.
shocks. Yellow. Don't lick the yellow snow. Electric shocks? Question mark. I love them! Exclamation mark. With you, dozen a day. But after a while, I wonder, where's that love you promised me? Where is it? So here we get to the edge of where the lava can be exciting. And she realizes there's something missing. After a while, I wonder. And the minute she wonders it, she's screaming it. You know, like it's been, there's her volcan. There's her eruption.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the possibly and probably become excuses.
Yes. Very, very astute. That's what it feels like there. Yeah. Yeah, it'll probably be okay. Possibly, maybe.
Probably love. Yeah.
Or it's probably love. He probably loves me.
How can you offer me love like that? My heart burns.
Slide guitar,
Can you offer me love like that?
pedal steel.
So sad.
That's crazy.
Possibly, maybe.
Back in the minor key.
And choral.
Yeah.
Or
Different kind of yoga.
We
All right, hold on. So the penultimate verse. How can you offer me love like that? My heart's burned. How can you offer me love like that? I'm exhausted. Leave me alone. Possibly, maybe, possibly. And there, the possibly, maybes to me sound like what ifs, yeah, buts, like last gasp, second guessings that happen at the end of a relationship.
Yeah.
Since we broke up,
I'm using lipstick again. I suck my tongue in remembrance of you. So maybe,
that's since we broke up, I'm using lipstick again. I suck my tongue in remembrance of you. End of song. Possibly, maybe. And now it's like the renewal of like idle hope.
Right. Right. The cycle.
The cycle. It's not a song cycle. It's a cycle song. It's a cycle song.
TM.
Exactly. Copyright. Let me put a copyright in the chat. There we go. And how about a registered trademark too? Just for good measure.
Oh, Bjork. She's got it all.
Björk.
Björk.
She's got it
I'm
all.
Sorry, Fred. Björk.
Yeah, Björk, yeah.